Hello guys, welcome back to Patience Cooking. Thank you very much for always coming back to my returning subscribers, and if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Guys, if you love pizza like myself, after making this recipe at home, you will not buy pizza again. It's simple and it is very healthy. Let's start by making this recipe. So this is me slicing my green onions, and in an empty bowl I am going to crack 3 eggs, and after cracking the 3 eggs I'll put a bit of salt for the taste, a bit of black pepper, a bit of chili if you like. Then I'll put the green onions I just chopped and mix together until it is even. Mix it very well, it's very important. And in an empty fry pan, the pan is already very hot. I decided to use butter. I put in some already made bread. This bread, you can get it from a grocery store. You can use this bread maybe for tacos, or you can even use it for shawarma. Just make sure that the egg is well covered, that like I'm doing right now, it's well distributed to the bread, and after which cover it with another bread. It has to be the same size so that you don't have like overlaps. Exactly. So cover and let it cook low heat for like 5 minutes, and then we'll be fixing the ingredients for the pizza. So here is bell pepper. I'm chopping this bell pepper the size that I actually want, after which I will slice 1 tomato. Here I'll be using chicken hot dogs for the proteins, and I'm just gonna chop this, slice it the size that I want, like I'm doing in the video. Then grate some cheese. You can really use the quantity that you want. Okay, some people don't eat a lot of cheese, but use the quantity that you're comfortable with. So after 5 minutes of low heat cook, I decided to flip it exactly like I'm doing in the video, and then put in some cheese first. After that, I am just going to add some sliced spinach. Then later on I'll put in the sliced tomatoes. We did this together before, remember? And then the bell pepper, I'll just place it, and after I'll put the hot dogs. Wow, take a look. This look already very delicious and beautiful. Like it has all the colors that you can think of. I really like the way I made this. And then add some cheese and cover and let it cook for 5 minutes low heat, and voila, your recipe is ready. Let's serve this and see how it looks, guys. Look at it, it looks so delicious. I was already very hungry. And guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. Click the notification so that each time I post, you will be the very first to be notified. Make sure you make this at home and let me know how it turned out. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.